Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Ramadan Kareem. How are you? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing good by the grace of God. I'm recording this one from somewhere outside my office work. Actually, the new place that I'm working on is a very beautiful place whereby you can just have to go outside and have some fresh air. There is some trees, there is some birds chirping, and alhamdulillah, all is well. So I came here to give today I'm talking to my beautiful queens and ladies that who watches me every time, and I am here for those who kept asking me what I use for my face and what I use for my body to keep it so soft and smooth and glowing. And today I have some good news for you. Last year October I started using a product for my face because I was suffering from acne. I had some face breakdown and I was having a lot of acne on my face simply because I was so stressed and I was going through a lot that time. Like so many things were happening and I had a face breakdown. And so it's, every woman, the face is their beauty, and any woman wants a beautiful skin, and any woman doesn't want to have dark spots, and they doesn't want to have acne on their face. So I was so troubled and I went on this journey, and I found out a cream that was working, that worked with me so well. If you can check my videos from last year, August, September, October, November, December, like this, I was having a lot of acne. So I found out about this cream. It has aloe vera and it has avocado, and I have been using it since end of November. Since the beginning of November. That's when I bought it, when I had traveled home. So I didn't want to try to sell something that I have not used to someone, or to try to advertise on something that I haven't used on myself. So in October also I was trying any products that will work on me. I started using shea butter on my body, and it's the original shea butter. You have to get the original shea butter, and that face cream. And for the shea butter I use it for my hair also. So I know some people ask, sasa wewe unashinda ukitengeneza nywele ya nini and you have hijab always? No, my hair is my pride and I take care of my hair so much. So I have also the black castor oil. So what am I trying to say is that the products are here in Doha now, and I'm selling them myself. I have the beauty cream for those who are suffering from acne and dark eyes, huku macho unakuta ziko black hivo, and they have some circles on their face, the acne, dark spots and everything. I have those creams with me, and I've tested them with my own skin, so I'm not selling you a product that I'm not aware about it, and it's working so miraculously. And I also got for my friend who had bad acne, like the bad ones, zile zenye zinakuanga huku pimples mingi uku and uku. And the best thing is that it clears the dark spots, it clears the acne and the dark spots, and it leaves your skin so moisturized and good and feeling and looking so great. I also have the aloe vera mask that you will use at night, you just apply it on at night, and when you wake up you'll just be feeling good. And the skin is the most important thing in a woman. So for those of us women who have stretch marks, skin that is not good, skin that has strawberries, this one, the shea butter is going to give you the best of the body results. For the stretch marks, it's going to take a little time. You just have to be patient, but by the time you finish that one mukebe of 200 ml or 220 ml, your skin will be glowing and you'll be looking beautiful, and mashallah, you'll be thanking me for this. So my beautiful queens, my beautiful ladies, if you are in Doha and you're looking for this product, you don't have to worry anymore. I know you can't find it anywhere here, but I've done my own research with my own skin, and I've made it my business to bring it to you in your doorstep. So all what you need is just go down on I'm leaving my WhatsApp number just down there. If you're interested with the product, just give me a call and I'll just drop it on your doorstep. You don't have to feel ashamed again about your skin. You don't have to feel bad about it, because this product is going to help your skin. Also, drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water, it goes along. So that's all for today. Come for the shea butter, come for the black castor oil, the original one, the Jamaican black castor oil for your hair. Come for the aloe vera, what do you call this, for the aloe vera and the avocado cream. And come for the cream that will clear everything, your acne, your dark eyes, your dark circles on your face, and all those stuffs that are not making you feel like a real queen. We all have it. Come for the aloe vera face mask. Everything we have in stock currently. So just go there on my WhatsApp and let's communicate. I'll tell you more about the price and I'll have it delivered to you within a day, or within the agreement of wewe unapatikana saa ngapi and stuff like that. So much love and God bless you, and see you kwa soko. And before I forget, we still have githeri, we still have too much maize and beans in stock. So also when you're ordering your cream, you still need to eat healthy. Usikumbuke don't forget to ask for the maize and beans. So much love and God bless you. See you inshallah in another video. Masalama, I love you.